Okay, so if you need to tweak your photo, you want to be able to see some details, you can go ahead and open it up on your computer or your Chromebook on Photopea. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the one since I'm still working on drawing out my image. I'm going to open up the one with the grid. It doesn't necessarily have to be the one with the grid. So in order to see maybe the curls on this left side, or maybe the parts that are closer to my face and maybe my ears, I can do one of two things. I can go to Image Adjustments, and maybe I just go to Brightness. So if I click on this window, I can pull it over. A lot of times, if you just make the photo brighter, and you move it over, can you see how you're starting to see the curls closer to my face? Now, this wouldn't be good for value of my skin. Obviously, I'm way too like white. I'm too hot or too bright here. But I could use it for just drawing out my curls. And so I would just draw out clumps of curls rather than individual hairs. So I'm going to reset that because I want to show you another method that might work. You could go to Image Adjustments and go to Levels. And I like Levels. It's a little bit fancier, but I can actually adjust either the highlight, which is this white box, this gray, which is our middle tones, or the black. And so if I move the gray and I shove it over, I can actually see some of those inner details just a little bit more. And so you can see now I've got some curls popping out here on the left side. I can see more of those individual curls. If I want more contrast, I can pop the black over a little bit, and that will give me a little bit more definition. And then I can either print this, download it, or I can just use it off the screen to add in the shapes that I need for my hair and these individual curls. So hopefully that helps you to alter the contrast and brightness of your artworks in order to be able to see some of those finer details.